Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Logitech MX Master 3S with your PC, and as well as with that we'll be pairing it to USB receiver. And to do this you'll need to download this Logitech software on your PC. It's called Logi Options Plus. Now make sure that you've connected the wireless receiver to your PC. Now look under the mouse and then turn this switch right here to the top like that. Now we can open this software, click on Add Device, select Logi Bolt Receiver, and now we need to long press to connect to our mouse. And I'll be pressing on this button right here. Let go, and we'll see if this helps. Okay, so yeah, it worked because the mouse is now connected, and we can stop searching. And yep, we've successfully paired our mouse to this app and the wireless receiver. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.